So, I'm going to eat a lemon really fast. It's a lemon, and I'm going to eat it, so really fast, okay? Alright, so, ready? Oh, jeez. I don't think this is a good... Okay, alright. Oh my god! I'm gonna spill everywhere. Oh my god! This was not good. I think I'm going in shock. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was horrible. But, anyways, could you subscribe to my videos or comment or just keep watching them to know that people are watching me? But I did that for you guys, and I don't think it was good at all. Okay. Thank you guys. Oh, I think I'm going to shock.